Hi guys, and welcome to Black Stag Styling. Always appreciated for you guys checking out some of our videos here on our channel. If you haven't checked out any before, please do have a look at some of the other bits and pieces we get involved in, particularly if you're into your VWs, as there's a few different vehicles we've got involved with styling, from the T5s, T6s, VW Caddies as well. So yeah, check them out on the old channel. But in with us for today, we have, I say today, actually it's going to be with us for about a week and a half. We have a VW T6 in the red, lovely looking bit of kit. This has just had a load of stuff done to the interior for the like rock and roll bed and seats and everything like that. So that's all sorted. It's now with us to have some of the exterior styling done. So we've got a couple of bits and pieces. We've got some new alloy wheels and tyres with the all-terrain tyres to go on the vehicle. We've got black sidebars. We've got a black front A-bar to go on as well. And then we've got black or the VW badges front and rear to be removed and done in gloss black, fitted onto the vehicle. We've got the front grille, take the chrome sections out and do them in the gloss black as well. And then the wing mirrors, we're going to be removing the covers, doing the, or hydro dipping them in our skulls and thorns finish. So that's going to look really smart, getting them all back on. So do stay with us for this one. It's going to be a cool, awesome bit of kit. We love working with the VWs, of course. We know you love watching them, so don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and we will look to get this now into the workshop and get cracking with all the work. Thanks very much. Roll the intros. Right, we're now about to head into the workshop where Pete has started to strip the mirrors off the T6, but I thought first of all we'd just show you the finish we are putting onto the mirror covers. So this is one of our hydro dip finishes, and it's the skulls and thorns. So this is the finish that we will be putting on with a nice gloss lacquer, because that'll go nicely with the rest of the gloss black parts on the vehicle. So we'll now head out and have a look, see how Pete's getting on with removing the mirror covers. I think he's already done one. Already done the one, haven't you, Pete?
Yeah, one's off.
There you go, that one's all off.
This one is about to pop.
Pete's just finishing taking this one off. There we go. Rather fiddly, aren't they, mate?
Some clips. Just got to make sure it comes upward.
Oh, look, I reckon you've done that before, mate, haven't you? Taken a couple of them off.
Oh, they still survived. Look at that. Lovely.
Superb, thank you, mate. So we'll get them prepped. So they'll have to be painted white first of all, the mirror covers, because the film needs to go over a white base coat to give the colour or the nice sort of grey look to the skulls and thorns. So we'll leave Pete cracking on with stripping the other bits off this. Right, okay, so Rob is now about to get the new wheels onto the VW T6, which was just behind me just then. So we're just going to show you the new wheels before we start fitting them on the vehicle. So we've got some all-terrain tyres on these, the general grabbers. Rather nice wheel, this as well, in the gloss black. So I'll give you a view of that. General grabber 83s, I think, are the tyres. So a nice aggressive tread. And they're going to look rather smart on this, methinks. So Rob's now going to get cracking, isn't he, Rob? It's just behind me over here. Ready and raring to go.
Yep.
Superb. We'll let him get on with it. Right, we're now going to check in with Tommy, who's just started stripping some bits off the front of the T6, because we've got to do the little bits in the gloss black. We've got a nice RS in as well for a front bumper to be repaired and painted. The Pete there. And over with Tommy, let's say, just stripping some bits, haven't we, Buh?
Yeah, a few clips off. Get that off, and the rear bouncers as well.
Lovely, lovely. All to go in a little bit of gloss black. You know it, pal, you know it.
No
So,
home for chrome.
you got it.
Yes.
Hashtag blood, sweat and cakes.
Yeah.
As we had quite a bit of cake today, haven't we, mate?
Too much.
Yeah.
Too much. Can't
Way
take
too
the
much.
soul, man.
Sup, brother?
Yo, brother. It's a village idiot.
You got me. A village idiot.
Hey.
Oh, I think we caught that on camera. I think we got that on camera. Well done, Ed.
Oh, we're in our second lockdown.
Is that from lockdown, was it you said?
Yeah.
Nice.
That was a bit of a chain reaction there.
Oh, dear. Right, so whole bumper off, I think, we mate. Whole bumper off.
I might link up with him later. Sorry, anyway, yeah.
Well done.
Yeah, whole bumper off. I'm going to see if I can try and pull this away, see if I can get to the back without taking the whole bumper off. I'm going to try and like.
You can give it,
possibly
you can
not.
give it a go.
I don't want to break anything. So
No, if not, we'll be removing the bumper, won't we,
yeah,
mate?
have a look.
And then we move to the back of the vehicle. So Rob's just fitting the last wheel on this side. Back of the vehicle, we are taking the Transporter chrome writing off. Altogether polish the area, and the rear badge we will be doing in the gloss black as well. Here we go, getting the front bar on.
Don't film it, man.
Film it.
Shy.
Tommy's gone all shy.
Yep.
I doubt that very much. So just getting the front bar on.
Don't be shy.
Nice A bar.
Hey?
Hey?
No, don't worry.
Hey?
I was being really rude. That wasn't really suitable for.
I didn't hear what you said, but the audience will have heard you say.
No, I whispered it.
Oh, okay.
Nobody heard. Other than.
Fair enough.
Alright.
Right, so we are just about to hide it. These lovely wind mirror covers of a VW T6 van. Prepped and primed them in white, ready to go over the top with the skulls and thorns.
So look, mate. We like this design, don't we, mate? It's
Yeah,
rather
this one,
smart.
mate.
This. Rather
Good.
smart. And then, yeah, the white will help emphasise the skulls, won't it?
Skulls, yeah, you know.
Superb. We've got both wing mirror covers, as you can imagine, to do.
It's silly just doing one, wouldn't it?
Yeah, it would be, mate. It would be a bit daft, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Crack on, Trevor.
Let's do it.
Here we go. Let's get the film in the tank. Right, Ad's now given the first mirror cover a little wash. Get off the old PVA glue. Looking rather smart, isn't it?
Looks cool, nice.
Yeah, I do like this.
It's scary, I find this a little bit scary.
Perfect for Halloween, isn't it?
Oh yeah, that's true. Yeah.
Oh, sorry,
Right.
not wearing your mask.
It was
Sorry, mate.
master from last year, aren't I?
There we go, looking good. Hello, pal.
Hello, mate. How you doing?
Oh, very well.
Just having a little lie down, a little bit tired this morning, so I thought I'd have a little
Been a busy morning.
pick my job. I thought a lying down job would go for that. You know?
Yeah, don't blame me at all, pal.
Yeah, so we're just putting these old sidebars on the T6.
Nice.
Nice matte black sidebars. I've done one side already.
I'm
On
gonna
the other side there.
have a little
Got
look
this
at the other
to
side.
do now, really. It's just that you have to drop the under trays a little bit.
Yeah.
And I'll have to cut some small grooves in the under trays and refit them afterwards.
Lovely jubbly.
Lovely times. Yeah. I've had to sleep now.
Yeah, you have a lay down, pal. we'll have a look at the other side, look. Sure, you've done a lovely job. There we go. So there's the other side sidebar that Ad has just fitted. Looking lovely. Here we go, look, mirror covers and the black trims all lacquered, ready for us to start getting fitted up onto the vehicle. Looking rather cool, especially them mirror covers. Oh. Hello Adam. Right, here we go, just getting the front trims in. As you can see, Ad has already got the freshly painted VW emblem back in the grille. So it's now a case of popping in the little side trims that are now done in the gloss black. Just adds a nice finishing touch, doesn't it, mate?
Lovely finishing touch, mate. Right, now putting this lovely hydro-dipped wind mirror cover back on the VW T6.
Does look smart, doesn't it, mate?
Yeah, looking lovely, isn't it?
Cool in the skulls and thorns finish. We'll give them a little close-up, and see how much detail there is in it.
Yeah, I mean, if you want to have a little look, I've already done the other side.
Oh, we've already got the other side on?
Done the other side.
Head of the old game, mate.
Yeah.
I'll go and we're going to have a little look. I'll tell you what, we're going to have a little look whilst you're fitting that on.
You can come back and see, you know.
Always, pal. There we go, look, so the other side, like Ada said, is all on. Done and ready to go, look. It's cool, isn't it? Detail in that. There we go, we'll pan back round to Adam. She's popping that on nicely.
Pop along.
They're a little bit fiddly, aren't they, mate?
They've got so many clips on these ones that hold them on.
You have to be rather delicate.
You have to go delicate, so you've still got as many clips when you're finished.
Doing a good job there, pal. Right guys, there we go. Another video is all finished and it's been much appreciated having you along to watch us carry out all the work to this VW T6. So it's been a pleasure as always working with another fantastic customer of ours and their vehicle to achieve the look they were after. So on this one we have done a number of different things, starting with the front. So we have removed the front grille, removed the chrome trims and the VW badge, including the VW badge off the back, and then prepped them all and done them in gloss black. Just to add to the black on the vehicle, now everything ties in nicely. We've then also added the A-bar to the front. So that's been under trail removed, then the bar all correctly fitted and bolted into place and aligned. Then moving down the sides of the vehicle, we've got the side bars, also in the black like the A-bar. They work nicely again, just add an extra swamper sort of look to the vehicle. Of course, not forgetting we've added the black black wheels, a fantastic wheel package on this with the all-terrain tyre as well. Again, this is to achieve that swamper look to the vehicle, just finishes it off nicely. Then on the back of the vehicle, as you know, we've done the black VW badge. We've added, with our colleagues down at Extreme Graphics, we've added the black decal to the rear bumper just to sort of protect the step area for the back of the vehicle, and then we have removed the transporter chrome badge, so just leaving the black VW badge. So that's everything we've done. Oh no, it's not everything we've done, my goodness, I can't believe I nearly forgot. So we have also removed and hydro dipped the wing mirror covers. So these have been prepped and then hydro dipped in our skulls and thorns, and then done in a gloss lacquer, polished and refitted onto the vehicle. This just adds a really cool extra element to the vehicle, making it really bespoke to the owner. So hopefully you've enjoyed watching all of this. Normal stuff, people, please do like and subscribe to the channel. Turn on your notifications, stay fully up to date with everything we're doing. Don't forget to check out some of our other videos on the channel and our other social medias. All the links are down below. Don't forget you can get our merch as well, so you can get our Black Stag hoodies and t-shirts. All the links are in the descriptions below, so check all of them out. As always, much appreciated for checking out everything we do. Stay safe, and we will hopefully catch you again soon for another video. Take care.